Welcome back. Today, let's learn table tennis with Coach Chen Kangning.
The power is released. Look, after stepping in, look, the left hand also comes in. Doesn't it look like he's holding the whole ball to his chest? And then what? Releases it. It's like pulling the bow fully, then letting the arrow fly. Isn't it like that? Look, the bow is fully drawn. Arrow released. That's the feeling, see? Bow pulled fully, arrow released. That's the feeling. Not like this.
For the backhand topspin, try to hit forward. Use the elbow and wrist to release the force. It's like release the arrow.
When you're stepping forward, your elbow joint doesn't come out. What do I have more than you? You're twisting like this. Is your hand in front? For me, the elbow is in front. Even though you've drawn back the racket, your hand is still in front. Isn't your hand still ahead? So what's in front? The elbow. Where did the hand go? As the elbow extends forward, the hand naturally goes to the right of the belly button, right? It comes into your chest. Right, but how are **U** twisting? You can still get it on the table. You'll never generate real quality. When you step in, let the elbow come out. Then let the hand come back, using that to create what? A better hitting distance. At the same time, it also helps you store more power. Right. That's the feeling, not this.
EmRatThich's tips. To increase the power, try to put your elbow in front so that you can more power. Not only the wrist, but the elbow need to be stable.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.